Look at page 93, question 3, everyone. Pay attention. Page 93, question 3. Take a note, everyone. Okay, so be attentive. X Limited acquired assets worth rupees 7 lakhs. What to do with assets? Debit. And liabilities valued at rupees 1 lakh. So that you credit. So how much should we pay? 7 lakhs minus 1 lakh? 6 lakhs. Now agreed to discharge the purchase price by issue of debentures of 100 each. Face value of debentures is generally 100. On 1st April 2015. Now balance in security premium on 1st April 2015 is 40,000. So that will be used in writing of that discount. When discount comes, if debentures are issued at discount, then discount will be written off from security premium. Past journal entries under the following conditions. Purchase price of 6,80,000. Now, what are the net assets?
6 lakhs.
6 lakhs. 7 lakhs minus 1 lakh. But we are paying 6,80,000. 80,000 more.
Goodwill.
That will be goodwill. And debentures are issued at par. So directly second entry will be debenture. Vendor account debit to debentures with 6,80,000. Purchase price of 5,50,000. Now we are paying less. Against 6 lakhs, we are paying 5,50,000. So 50,000 of capital profit will be transferred to capital reserve. And if the debentures are issued at par, so what will be the second entry? Vendor account debit to debentures with what amount? 5,50,000 direct. Now purchase price of 6,50,000. Now we are again paying more. Against 6 lakhs, 6,50,000. So 50,000 will be goodwill. And now debentures are issued at 30% premium. So first we have to find number of debentures. What will be the issue price if they are issued at 30% premium? 130. Did 5,50,000, sorry 6,50,000 divided by 130.
5,000.
How many debentures will be issued? 5,000. What will be the second entry? Vendor account debit to debenture account to security premium account. Okay. And now, how many debentures did we get?
5,000.
So debentures will be 5,000 into 100 face value. And security premium will be 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000. Without getting the number of debentures, you cannot pass this entry. So first we will make that work. And fourth option, purchase price 5,31,000. Now against net asset 6 lakhs. Purchase price 5,31,000. So 69,000 capital reserve. Capital profit transfer to capital reserve. And debentures are issued at 10% discount or 10% discount. So 90 is the issue price. Do 5,31,000 divided by 90. 5,900. Now what will be the entry if debentures are issued at discount? Vendor account debit. Debenture discount account debit. Two debentures. Debenture discount is 5,900 into discount 10. Debenture discount 5,900 into 10. And debentures 5,900 into 100. Is everyone clear with this? So particularly in this third and fourth, before we pass the entry, we will have to find the number of debentures. Without that, you cannot get the amount of debentures, premium and discount. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
So make the format. Journal entries in the books of X Limited. Make the format, everyone. Now be attentive. Now first option A. On which date the debentures are issued? 1/4/15. Okay, first the entry with assets account debit. Yes. Stop promising each other. Be attentive here. Assets account debit with 7 lakhs. Then leave one line in between. Then we'll write to liabilities account 1 lakh. Name of vendor is not given, so again vendor account. And in first option, what is the purchase price? 6,80,000. Okay. So which balancing figure remains in which column?
Debit.
Debit. Credit is 780 minus 7 lakhs.
80.
80,000 will remain. So that we will debit to goodwill account. In bracket balancing figure. Did you understand this? B. Assets and liabilities taken over. Now we are issuing the debentures at par. So vendor is the receiver, debit the receiver, vendor account debit with full amount of 6,80,000. Okay, and two, in the paragraph is given which debentures they are 12%, 15%, nothing is given. So simply to debentures account, they issued at par, so no working is needed. Directly we can write 6,80,000 and 6,80,000 divided by 100. How many debentures would have been issued? 6,800. Okay. So in bracket we mention B 6,800 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at par. Any doubts with this? All okay with this? Now option B. Later. Date 1/4/15. Now first entry will also change. Now what is the purchase consideration, purchase price? First entry will also change. First entry, the first entry. Assets account debit 7 lakhs. Then we'll leave one line. To liabilities account 1 lakh. To vendor account 5,50,000. And difference 50,000. Where will be right? Why goodwill? Debit is more, credit is this. 7 lakh minus 550. Where does the 50,000 remain in which column? Credit column. So capital reserve. To capital reserve account. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
In bracket balancing figure. Anyone having any doubt? Being assets and liabilities taken over. Understood this everyone? Sharp, second entry.
Sir, vendor account debit to debenture account. Date 1/4/15. Amount 5,50,000.
Is now 5,50,000 of debentures again issued at par. So straight away we can pass the entry vendor account debit 5,50,000 to debentures account 5,50,000. B. How many debentures here will be issued? 5,50,000 divided by 100, 5,500. Being 5,500 debentures of rupees 100 each issued to the vendor at par. Understood this everyone? Then Next option C. One, 4, 15. Now what is the purchase price? 6,50,000. So, Arpan, assets account debit. What amount? 7 lakh. To liabilities account 1 lakh. To vendor account 6,50,000.
Difference amount goodwill 50,000.
Yes, now the credit is more. 750 minus 7 lakhs. In debit column balancing figure remains 50,000. That will be goodwill account debit. In bracket balancing figure. Did everyone understand this? B. Assets and liabilities taken over. Now workings. For option C. How do you find the number of debentures? Number of debentures to be issued.
Amount payable to the vendors divided by issue price of debentures.
Amount payable to vendor
Divided by issue price of debentures.
divided by issue price of debentures. So what is the amount payable to the vendor?
6 lakh.
Now 6,50,000 is payable.
Yes.
And how are the debentures issued?
30% premium,
30% premium. So issue price is 100 plus 30, 130.
5,000.
5,000 debentures will be issued. Did you understand this? Now we can pass the second entry. Without this you cannot do it because you will not get the amount of premium and debentures otherwise. Completed everyone? Now 1,415. Vendor is the receiver, debit the receiver. So vendor account debit with full amount of 6,50,000. Okay. 2 debentures. Debentures with always face value.
Yes, sir. 5 lakh.
Now how many debentures are issued?
5,000.
5,000. So 5,000 into 100. That is 5 lakhs. And 2 security premium account or debenture premium account.
1 lakh 50.
5,000 into how much is premium?
30.
30. So 1,50,000. So before you pass this entry, first we need to find the number of debentures. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has completed? B. 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at 30% premium to the vendor. Now option D. Now what is the purchase price? 5,31,000. So, someone
Asset account debit 7 lakhs.
assets account debit 7 lakhs,
2 liabilities 1 lakh.
leaving one line to liabilities 1 lakh,
And 2 vendor account 5 lakh 31,000.
to vendor account with the purchase price of 5,31,000.
And to capital reserve 69,000.
Now debit is more, so 7 lakh minus 631. 69,000 will remain in the credit column. That you will transfer to capital reserve account in bracket balancing figure. Did you understand this? B. Assets and liabilities taken over. Now second working will be for option D. Number of debentures to be issued. But it working in last option, how will we do? What is the amount payable to the vendor? 5,31,000. And what is the issue price? Discount you'll add or minus? 90, okay? 10% discount, so 100 minus 10. What is the issue price? 90. 5,900 debentures.
Yes, sir.
So everyone is clear with this? Now we can pass the next entry. Same date 1/4/15. Has everyone completed the workings? Vendor is the receiver, debit the receiver, vendor account debit with what amount? Full amount 5,31,000. Then discount we have issued, so debenture, discount account debit.
59,000.
Now, how many debentures we have calculated we have issued?
5,900.
5,900. And what is the discount?
10.
10. So 5,900 into 10, 59,000. Two debentures account. Debentures always with face value.
Yes. 5,900.
So 5,900 into 100. 5,90,000. Did you understand this? Everyone? B. 5,900 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at 10% discount. Okay, total will not be done, they all are different options. So, all okay with this general entries?
What about this security premium for the person?
Yes, in last entry we will have that. Security premium will be used in writing of the debenture discounts. One more entry will come on 31/3/16. On 31/3/16, end of the year, security premium account debit
Debenture discount.
with 59,000. Do we have 59,000?
No, sir.
No, sir.
40,000.
Now what will we do?
How much we have?
40.
So remaining 19,000 will take from P&L account. So security premium account debit 40,000,
Here account.
profit and loss account debit 19,000. To debenture discount account 59,000. Did everyone understand this? Security premium will be used for 40,000, profit and loss will be used for the balancing amount because premium amount is this. B. Debenture discount written off. In other entries we don't have discount, so nothing to be written off. Only in last entry it will come. Being debenture discount written off. So everyone is clear with this question? Now, solve question 14 on your own right now. Then I discuss it. 1 4. Same problem. Solve question 14 on your own.